In this video, we will be installing Steam and how to use it. So if you find the video helpful, consider liking and subscribing, and let's get right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. In this case, I'll use Google Chrome, and I will search up Steam. You'll see this Welcome to Steam option, and there's a lot of things that you see on this webpage, but this is the Steam website. It is store.steampower.com, and what you're looking for is this install Steam button at the very top right. So when you select it, you will have an install Steam button right here, and you can see that there's quite a few people playing right now, about 10 million, almost 11 million in the world. All you have to do is click install Steam, and it's going to download that exe file for you. Go into that downloads folder and run it, and it's going to install Steam for you. So you just follow through the steps. Let me go through it very slowly with you. So this one, you select the language that you want. Very simple. This one is going to install Steam into the destination folder, and this is the default. So C program files 86 and Steam. So I'm installing it. Very simple, very fast. Now you just have the run Steam option. So all you have to do is hit finish. And Steam's going to go ahead and do its downloading of the application. Quite a few updates, quite a few packages to install. So we'll give it a few moments to install. I'm not going to fast forward this because I wanted to keep it as one-to-one as possible. Never skip a step, never miss any steps, so you guys can see exactly the one-to-one process and how long it actually takes. Okay, seems like it is done. And now all you have to do is sign up with your account, or sign in if you have one already. You have this QR code over here, so you can scan it. And using the mobile Steam app, you can connect your account to this device without entering your password. So it's a very simple process. That is how you install Steam. And I will create another video on how to sign up with Steam, how to download all them games, how to buy the games, and launching the games and all of that. So there you go. Very simple, and have a great day.